In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Windows 10 using the Update Assistant efficiently, and all it takes is just 5 minutes. Keeping your system up to date is crucial for securing your device and ensuring you're using the latest features and improvements that Microsoft has to offer. This process is straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, open your favorite web browser. You need to search for Windows 10 Update Assistant. This is the tool provided by Microsoft to help users with the latest feature updates on their Windows 10 systems. As you look through the search results, aim to find the link that directs you to support.microsoft.com. It's important to make sure you're accessing official resources to guarantee the safety and reliability of the files you download. Once you're on the Microsoft support page, look for the option to download the Update Assistant. This tool will assist you throughout the update process to make sure everything runs smoothly. Scroll down if necessary until you find the section referencing the Windows 10 2022 update or version 22H2. Here you'll see a button that says Update Now. Go ahead and click on it. Once clicked, the Update Assistant installer will begin downloading to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this should only take a few moments. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your computer's downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files by default. Double-click the file to launch the installer. At this point, you might receive a prompt asking if you want to allow the Update Assistant to make changes to your device. Select Yes to continue with the installation. With the Update Assistant now open, you'll see a display showing your current Windows version and the latest version available. To proceed, click Update Now. The tool will begin checking your device's compatibility with the new version. This ensures that your hardware meets the necessary requirements for the update. If your device passes the compatibility check, the Update Assistant will proceed to download the latest version of Windows 10. This might take some time depending on the size of the update and your internet speed, so feel free to leave your computer for a bit if needed. Once the download wraps up, the installation will kick off automatically. Finally, once both the download and installation processes are completed, the Update Assistant will prompt you to restart your device. This step is crucial to finalize the update, allowing all changes to take effect. After the restart, you will be all set, running the latest version of Windows 10 with enhanced features and stability. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully updated your system using the Windows 10 Update Assistant. Make sure your settings are configured to check for updates regularly so you can keep enjoying a smooth and secure experience on your PC. Thanks for watching, and be sure to follow along for more tech insights and tutorials.